Hi, I'm Captain Ken. I've been around boats my whole life. I used to own a marina. I used to keep this 24-foot center console on a boat lift down south. Now that we're up north, it's even more important to keep it protected from the sun, the rain, and changing conditions such as even extreme winters. This T-top boat cover was sent over for me to try out. One of the first things I noticed was the marine grade 900D solution dyed polyester. What's really cool is you can see the stitching, how everything is reinforced with heavy duty stitching. They even have it for the loops, so you can hook it up to the tongue of your trailer and this thing gets tight. It is designed so that the water will run off. It has an elastic band on the bottom of the cover that just snugs up tight. We have metal brackets so that you can literally get this thing tighter. You have the clips, metal clips. I've gone and ran it down and wrapped it up so that I could go with one section. Then I did it again for the back. What's nice about these brackets, these clips, is that they are perfect if you need to trailer the boat. And this will allow you to go and trailer it on the highway, because now, just like a bungee strap, you want to hold your boat to the trailer. This actually holds the cover down to the trailer just as if it was a bungee strap, so you're not going to have your cover coming off and slapping up against the boat. So to get it if you need to tighten it up, it tightens up nice and tight. And then the nice part, it stretches out over the back of the boat. If you need to get into the boat, you can just loosen up some of these things, pull it down, loosen things up, back it off. Now the tension's off. You can go, you need to go and wrap your clips. Let me just show how it's done. The top part, the cover that goes around the helm, the T-top, has clips that go all the way around, so you can set it up. But the first thing you want to do when putting this cover on is you want to set this up. So once you unzip it, you start on your starboard side, come around and start putting this up. And then you can wrap the open zipper around the helm. But to go and you want to take your first clip, put it here, then you take your next one and you put it right here on the other side of where you're going to have the opening, run it down through the bottom of the clip, bring it back through the top. And the nice thing is now you have it cinched up nice and tight. Excited about this product is the heavy duty material, this reinforced zipper, all the stitching. It's made to last. And as a captain, I hate going and through all this work to go and put something together just for it to fall apart, not only from the material, but because of the weather. I've had covers just fall apart because of the sun. If you need to get inside the boat, you now have the ability, if you need to work on it, you can open it up on those warmer days, and then you have access. You can get around in your boat and do what you need to do. Buckle it together. Now you've got an extra set of hands helping you. I don't need to shrink wrap my boat. So what it would cost to shrink wrap your boat just 1 year will cover the cost of this. But the best part is that you can take this down, put it in a mesh storage bag with all your straps, and then if you want to put it on during the season or you're not going to be on your boat, You can just cover it up. You've got it protected from the weather, unlike shrink wrap that once you pull it off, it's done. You got to just throw it away. This is going to last you for years. If you're on a boat lift, you can put it on your boat lift as well because of these the elastic band that goes around. It will just sit nice and tight. If you need to, you can always strap this right to your boat lift. It's a great product.